these big projects, granted, like our fees are commensurate for the size of project this is going to be. But when you start to work on a couple $100 million projects, your opportunities become great on the other side of it. Granted, our costs are huge. We're going to hire a small army of people to get this thing done and designed and detailed out so that construction can proceed. So, a lot of work to be done ahead of us, a lot of responsibility that comes with doing these types of projects. But when you're able to work fully integrated as a team, right? I, as the engineer of record, working with lighting to figure out design, they're putting criteria together, they're doing layouts, they're getting counts and quantities and pricing to the contractor, working with gear distribution and getting all the right switch gear, panels, medium voltage gear, breakers, all the gear that we need to execute the project, some other big medium voltage breakers and line items, and making sure that the manufacturer has everything that they need to button everything up. And the supplier on that side, the contractors doing all the other parts, pieces, take off labor, what they think it's going to take to ultimately put this project together. Everybody's working simultaneously on it, and we got our own little small army, special forces unit coming together to put pricing and a proposal together for the client and an extremely tight turnaround for high level budgeting. But we're getting real numbers, real quotes, real pieces put together for them so that the owner ultimately is able to make a decision or go no go or allocate the funds for it, right? They're going to do this one way or another. And so they just basically need to know how much capital they're going to allocate for it and be able to make decisions from there.